Once I've drawn several items on the page, I may want to align or distribute them evenly within the space. So I can do that using the Align and Distribute tools. They should show up automatically if I select more than one thing. So if I drag across these four circles, I can come up here and see that there's Align, and I have a variety of ways to align them to the left, center, or right, top, center, or bottom. I can also distribute them horizontally, vertically, and they get distributed relative to a couple things. By the way that it's set up right now, it means it will align to the artboard. So if I click Align to Top, it aligns all of those circles to the top of my artboard, and I can undo that, Command Z. If I say I want to align, I can change Align to Selection, and now if I align to the top, it will align to the topmost item on my list. So it only aligns with that top circle. By the same token, I can distribute them. So if I say distribute these horizontally, it will evenly distribute them, and then I can align them to the top, and now they're evenly spaced horizontally and aligned to the top. Because of the fact that the Align to is set to selection. So now one last thing I can do with this, I can also align things to a key object. So I might have several things here. If I say align these to the center, all three of them moved a little bit. So I wanted them aligned. Here, let me do this. Align center, and all three of them move. But maybe I want to keep one in one place. Like I want them aligned to the center of this circle, but I don't want this circle to move. So if I select these three things, I'm holding Shift and clicking. If I select these three things and then I click this one again, I get a blue halo around, or a halo the color of whatever layer it's on. I get a halo around that selected piece, and now if I come up to Align, I can see that it's set to align to a key object, and this is the key object. So if I align to the center now, those other two circles move to the center of this one without that circle moving. And so I can align with a variety of methods and distribute horizontally and get some control over my composition using the Align and Distribute tools.